Hey ho, welcome to a new video. As you can see, I'm sitting on my pretty large desk in front of my pretty blue wall. As you can see, it's still empty. I'm gonna make a little study desk tour. I'm gonna show you what's on my desk, and spoiler, it's not gonna be much because I've got quite a minimalistic desk, so yeah, enjoy it. So as I said, it's gonna be quite a minimalistic study desk tour because, listen, very important, studying is about you and your equipment. And guess what's more important? Yep, that's you and your brain and your motivation and your positive attitude. And it's a little bit about the equipment, but most important are you. So you don't need much equipment on your desk because it's all just distracting. Yeah, so I chose a pretty large desk, so I've got lots of space for creative stuff, I've got lots of paperwork, so yeah, I've got enough workspace. And then as you can see, I've got my lamp on my desk, which is always there because, especially in winter now, if I want to do some early work or late in the night, I need some light to brighten up my day. And I just noticed I've got a little peace sign there, which, I don't know, I think it's from back school. Yeah, it's pretty, so I keep it there. Also, I've got some quotes on my pretty blue wall, which are not essential, but I do like them because if I'm not motivated for a few minutes, if I'm daydreaming, I read through them and then, I don't know, I gain motivation, I got a positive attitude because I just love quotes. Next is my laptop, which is always on my desk as well, which I need quite often because if I'm doing some research, if I'm writing a text or a bit of work, I just always need it. And second, I've got my tablet, so I'd recommend you to have two devices because one is a little bit, if you're researching and writing, it's a little bit, yeah, it works, but it definitely is easier if you have two devices. So I've got my tablet, which is always on my desk, and I'm using it, for example, if I'm reading like new stuff, if I'm writing down something, so I use it, or if I'm writing a text or a big work kind of stuff, I use my tablet for doing the research and then I write it down in my laptop. Yes, it's super helpful if you get two of these, but something which should not be on your desk is your mobile phone. You just don't need it and it's just super distracting. So if you get two other devices like a laptop and a tablet, just throw your phone out the window. Not, but throw it in your bed, throw it somewhere where you can't see it because you don't need it when you're studying. You don't need it at your desk, don't put it on your desk. That's not the home of your mobile phone. Yeah, so no phone. Also on my desk are my headphones, which I just use to watch videos, to learn something, or if I got a video call I sometimes use this, or if you got a phone which is super loud, mine is not, but if, or it is like some kind of noises, I just use it to be able to concentrate. Also on my study desk is a webcam, which I, mostly need just for my online exams, sometimes for video calls, but yeah, pretty much for the online exams, so it's kind of an essential if you do online studying or any online courses. So now, I think I'll need a college block. Some people might not use it anymore because many people I think use the iPad to write down, but I do prefer paper because, I don't know, I'm just faster than writing on the iPad. I'm just getting confused because I'm not like a person who's got a super pretty handwriting. I'm doing it quite fast. I'm trying to keep it organized, but yeah, I just prefer my paper block. So if I got a new topic, a new unit, I start writing it down on my college block, yeah, which I do like all the topics, and yeah, make it ready to learn. And what I do, I scan it with the tablet. So I've got it on the device as well, but I prefer learning with my college block or writing down, doing exercises. Yeah, this is a super essential on my desk. And next, what I see right now, which other people's videos, they've got like lots of pens and 100,000 different colors on the desk, which I don't even own, but you don't need that many. So I just got 3 pens, which is a black one, which is a blue one, which is a red one, which I use for writing, and I don't need more. I also got a pencil, which I just use for exercises, for some random notes, for a little bit distracting myself, no, but yeah, for random notes. And I've got a marker for like captions, just to highlight them so you know where a unit starts, what's an important topic, and so on. And that's all you need. All the other colors, all the other pens just distracting me, and I think you as well. So if you're busy choosing the color you want to use for your next topic, don't use so many colors, you don't need them. So I always use my black, my blue, my red, and I'm done. I put in my little brick wall, which is not an essential, which you don't need, but I like it, so yeah, that's fine. As you carry on with your study, you got more and more topics, more and more units. So what I use, I'm not sure if it's common, but I pretty much like it. It's like a fireback fastener, I think, yeah, that's the name, to kind of file together each topic separately, each unit. Next, I've got a tiny notebook on my desk, which I just use. It's not mainly for studying, it's just for ideas in general, or if it's like, I shouldn't forget to do this about my study, in general, I want to do this today, and I don't want to use my phone or something. I wrote it down on my little notebook, so it's something like, you have to do this exam, you have to book this exam, you've got a video call, and later on I put it in my iPad, or it's just like some ideas, which I think it's faster to write it down on paper, and later on I take a photo, or I scan it, put it in my iPad, or if it's just random notes, I throw it away. Yeah, what else? Yeah. I've got a water bottle on my desk because, yeah, if you want to focus for a long time and you don't want to get out of your room because that's distracting, I put a water bottle on my desk, which is blue because I just like blue water. And yeah, so that's just an essential on my desk to keep hydrated. So, and last, which is not on my desk, which is my drawers under my desk, is a folder, which is obviously just to put in all my paperwork, which all my topics, which I first put together with my fabric fastener, and then I put them in my folder. But most of the time it's not on my desk because I just randomly need it. So after a topic, after a unit, I put it into the folder, into the drawer, and then I lock it into for as long as I don't need it until my exam, or I finish my exam, or I just want to look up something again. And I think that's it. I don't have more on my desk. Yeah, so my desk looks still quite empty because it's quite large, and I don't want to put many things on my desk because, listen, it's just super distracting. And I always say to myself, the less things you got on your desk, the more space you've got for your mind to be creative, to be free, to focus, and to achieve your goals, learning and studying, and just being successful. Sitting on my desk, I just had a great idea. So make it as a rule, if you can't sit on your desk, there's too much on it, throw it out. You have to be able to sit on your desk. That's the rule for productivity on your desk. I think it's gonna be world changing. Yeah, so I just want to say, don't put so many things on your desk because it's just distracting. Most important for studying are you yourself, and there's some equipment which you do need, but it shouldn't be too much. Especially don't use too many pencils, so many colors. It's just super distracting. You don't need it. So I hope I could help you. Maybe I could inspire you a little bit. Maybe you're gonna throw off your desk a few things out the window. No, not out the window, but yeah, just keep in mind, minimalistic, you don't need much, you're most important, and we're gonna see you for the next video. Thank you. It's just snowing outside, and that's the most distracting thing for me, so it doesn't matter what's on my desk, I'm just super distracted if it's snowing outside, so I don't know, I watch snow. If you liked the video, subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. If not, you don't have to, but yeah, I hope I could help you, and see you next time.